What do you think, what's their excuse? Why they blamed? Is there any sort of particular sort of their argument that why they're killing Muslims or why they're massacring Muslims?
In fact, since I was born, we never had any problem actually, from our side towards the Rakhine peoples. We're always peace-loving people, want to stay peacefully. We don't want to make any quarrel with them. We don't want to make anything. Only, from Rakhine side, they're always make it a quarrel with us. In the school, they are always, making trouble. On the street, they are making a trouble. Even, when we move one place to another, they start giving troubles,
What's the national religion of that country? Is it Buddhism or Burmese?
Yeah, okay, their religion is majority is Buddhism, but there is Christian as well in the ethnic areas.
So who are the main culprits? Means Buddhists were known as most, gentle people and, spiritual and blah, blah, blah. But now why they turn it so violent and cruel on human beings?
Of course, this is a very good question actually, because Buddhism is known as a, peace-loving people and they should not kill anybody. But it seems their racism, is superseding their religion. They want only Muslim-free, the states or Muslim-free country. They want to make it. So simply because we're Muslims, they don't like us. And not only that, they don't like us because, we are, a mix of, Burma side and, the Indian side, They don't want to look different side.
You mean mostly you're from Indian side or Bangladesh side? What's the origin?
No, actually, of course, we were from Arakan, okay? So we were Arakan, it was independent kingdoms and, we were from, there. But the Burmese government making allegation that we came from Bangladesh,